Hello everyone. If you need to transfer apps from your Android device to your computer, good luck. Moby is here to help you. This video will demonstrate how to use Data Manager function to transfer apps from Android device to computer. First, please launch DroidKit on your computer and choose Device Manager mode under Data Manager function and click Start button. Next, please connect Android device to computer with USB cable. Once your device is detected, you will see the interface below. After the loading process completes, it will display the total number of apps under the apps icon. Then, please choose the app you want to transfer. For instance, I need to transfer the app to my computer. I just click to Computer button. Once the transferring process is completed, you will see Transferred Successfully interface. If you want to locate the exported documents, please click View Files button.